Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. New to this YouTube crap. I've watched a million hours of YouTube, but I've never really thought much about posting videos or anything. But I've got a lot of weird crap around here that I enjoy tinkering with, and I enjoy watching everybody else tinker with their junk, so I figured I would share some of my own. A lot of this crap isn't mine. Neither of these are mine. I run a auto restoration business and keeps me pretty busy, but I get to work on a lot of cool stuff. Been into tinkering with stuff my whole life, that I can remember anyways, back to tearing my dad's lawnmowers apart and never getting them back together. Pretty much first generation car guy. Nobody else in my family that I know of are into hot rods or crap like this, or all the other garbage outside that I'll show you later. Purpose of this channel really is nothing other than to just share projects and tips and tricks and foo-bars, stuff like that with everybody else. Everything I'm shooting is going to be off the iPhone. We have crappy internet out here, so don't be looking for any 45-minute clips. That ain't going to happen anytime soon. I'm not looking to monetize this channel or anything. Just have fun and share some cool stuff. You'll see some customer stuff, like the 70 GS doing some air conditioning work, and a 55 Nomad doing floor pan stuff. Nothing too exciting there, but mostly it's to share my own stuff. I've got way too much stuff, but that's all right. Most of my clips I'll probably try to keep to 5 to 10 minutes because crappy internet out here that I don't have time to download stuff for 3 days. So, and I don't have the patience for that anyways. I'm not very photogenic or whatever. I'm not socially that kind of guy anyways, so it's awkward enough just sitting here talking to a camera with nobody else here, but oh well. So I'll just share everything that's going on here and introduce everybody to my projects individually as I have time. And time is the other problem for me. I'm extremely busy all the time, so if you happen to post a comment or something and I don't respond, it's not because I didn't want to, it's just I don't have time hardly to do anything. Really don't have time to do this, but oh well. Hope you all enjoy the channel, and if you like it, watch some more junk.